Okay, this is target 1E, finding equations of circles. So remember, the equation of a circle is x minus h, comma squared, plus y minus k, comma squared, and that equals r squared. So h and k are the center of the circle. So this right here is telling me that h is -4 and k is 2. So I can replace h with -4 and k with 2. Remember when they go the opposite because of this minus here. So instead of writing -4, we write minus and -4, which is +4. So this is x plus 4 squared plus y, and that'd be y minus 2 squared, and that equals r squared. So I've got the center. Now I have to find the radius. So to find the radius, I'm going to plug in. So let me get another color. And this is my x and this is my y. So I'm going to replace x with 6 and y with 7. And I'm going to plug in. So x is 6, so 6 plus 4 squared, plus y is 7. 7 minus 2 squared, and that equals r squared. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So I have 10 squared and 5 squared. So that's 100 plus 25. So I get r squared is 125. Now I'm looking at the formula. I want r squared, not r, so I don't need to take the square root. Now a lot of people leave this as their answer. That's not the answer. The actual question is the equation. So I need to write this, but I need to replace the r squared with what r squared is. So right here I'm going to rewrite this. So my answer is x plus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals the radius squared, which is 125. Okay, so now I need to do another practice problem. I have two this time, so 2 of them. So this time we are writing the equation of a circle, and these are the endpoints of my diameter. So it doesn't give me the center of the circle. So I can't do the equation until I find the center of the circle. So what would the center of the circle be? Well, sure, it would be the midpoint between the two of them. And we happen to know the midpoint formula. Remember, it's x1 plus x2 over 2, and then y1 plus y2 over 2. So my midpoint formula is 5 plus 8 over 2, and then -3 plus 11 over 2. And -5 plus 8 is 13 over 2, and -3 plus 11 is 8 over 2. So it looks like my midpoint is 13/2, 4. Okay, now it's up to you on how you want to do this. You can either use fractions if you want, or decimals. I guess in this particular problem, the decimal is the easier way. So I'm going to change this to 6.5, 4. So my equation is x minus 6.5 squared plus y minus 4 squared, and that equals r squared. So now I need to find r. Now again, I could plug 13/2 in here instead of 6.5. Either way, I'm going to get the same answer. So I'm going to replace, I can choose either one of these. X, I can use 5 -3 or 8 11. It really doesn't matter. I guess I'm going to use this one. So this is x, and this is y. Get another color. So I'm replacing x with 5. So I have 5 minus 6.5 squared plus -3 minus 4 squared. So 5 minus 6.5 is 6.5 is 1.5 bigger than 5, so it's -1.5 squared. And then negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7 squared. If you're not sure, just do this on your calculator. 5 minus 6.5, you're going to get negative 1.5. Now you have to square negative 1.5, and I happen to know, whoops, no parenthesis needed here, that that is 2.25. Not sure why that wouldn't go right. So 2.25 plus a negative 7 squared is 49, and that equals r squared. All this equals r squared. So this is 49 plus 2 is 51, so 51.25. So my equation is x minus 6.5 squared plus y minus 4 squared. Okay, I'm running out of room. I'll choose another color and write it in a different color so it doesn't run into it. So it looks like my answer was x minus 6.5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 51.25. Yeah, okay, you can't even read that. I'll write it right here at the bottom. Sorry. Alright, one more time. X minus 6.5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 51.25. Okay, also, if you had chosen to write it using fractions, your answer would have been x minus 13 halves squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 205 over 4, because when you figured out this, you would have gotten 205 over 4. So either the purple answer or the green answer are correct, or any combination of the two. Alright, good luck. So you have 2 more problems to do on your own. So again, you need to show them to either a math lab teacher or to myself, and to show that you know how to do it, and then you get your retake. Good luck. So here's you try number 1, and you try number 2.